Welcome to the future of coffee experiences with Flavadd. Imagine savoring the rich and diverse flavors of coffee beans harvested from the Kilimanjaro, Medellin, Vulcan, Hula, and Coke regions, all scoring over 80 points in the prestigious Cup of Excellence rating. Flavadd's innovative approach, creating flavor profiles based on these tasting notes, marks a groundbreaking step towards enhancing industrial coffee production. This method unlocks previously unattainable taste experiences, allowing us to infuse industrial coffee beans with a rich flavor profile and provide coffee lovers with a more authentic and customized experience. Quality taste experience is at the heart of Flavadd. By using our flavor diffusers, you can indulge in the high-quality flavors extracted from industrial coffee beans, ensuring a consistently pleasant and satisfying experience with every cup of coffee. The wide flavor options offered by Flavadd flavor diffusers allow you to capture various flavor profiles, empowering you to find the coffee varieties that align with your personal preferences. Product consistency is paramount, as our flavor diffusers have been rigorously tested in products from various coffee brands, guaranteeing the same quality coffee experience every time. Stable quality is a unique feature of Flavadd, eliminating flavor differences caused by seasonal or geographical fluctuations. Enjoy the same high-quality coffee experience regardless of external variables. Bringing a quality flavor to the comfort of your home, Flavadd enables you to relish top-notch coffee flavor without the need for expensive restaurant or coffee shop menus. Now, every coffee lover can elevate their home brewing experience to new heights. Environmental sensitivity is a key consideration for Flavadd. Our flavor diffusers not only provide an opportunity to enjoy cheaper and sustainable coffee sources, but also contribute to a more environmentally friendly coffee industry. To enhance your coffee with Flavadd, simply follow these easy steps. After thoroughly cleaning and drying your chosen container, transfer your preferred coffee beans into it. Place Flavadd among the coffee beans, ensuring it's evenly distributed. Close the lid tightly and let the magic happen. After a day of rest in a shaded place, your coffee beans will be infused with the unique flavor of Flavadd. Grind and brew the beans for a truly enriched and high-quality coffee experience. Elevate your coffee ritual with Flavadd. It's a journey your taste buds won't want to miss.